Hey guys, here's the other 1/25th scale ToyStar tank model kit that I have. 20 plus years old probably. T34-85. Also have a review out there on the SU-100 1/25th scale ToyStar, if you want to take a look at that. Let's take a look at what's in the box. We'll come back to the instructions. Pretty similar to the SU-100. You've got 2 bags of track links. Again, I'm going to think these are polypropylene, not polystyrene, but they should be clicked together, I would think. A little bit of flash. So a little bit of cleanup. Doesn't look too bad though. Like the SU-100, you get a bag of, actually I called them yeah, they are poly caps. Polypropylene, not polystyrene. Hold on the road wheels. And, oh, you can open it up. And like with the SU-100, I'm having a senior moment because I do not recall what the hell these are. They hold the road wheels on, but for life of me, I can't remember that. Here's the poly caps. Here's the top of the hull. Like the SU-100, has pretty good stipple effect for texture. Could be a little too aggressive. I really don't know. I'll take it though. It's decent. Looks crisp enough. Not really any flash, which is nice. Pretty standard underside. I looked at this previously and I was noticing, so here's your 2 turret halves. Give you a decent look at that. Same texturing. But what I was noticing is the fit is not so great. So anyway, that's going to take some effort to, actually that's not bad. Maybe I just got it wrong last time. Can't seem to find the pin marks there. That's not bad. Oh, all right. It's actually not that bad. A little, gonna have to fill some gaps a little bit there, but use a little surfacer or texture on it. Oh, okay. That went together better than when I was messing with it last time. So, oh, all right. That's not that bad. Good deal. All right. Bag of springs for the road wheels. Don't know what the bolt is for. Actually, oh, I think it might hold together the remote control case. I'm not going to take this apart. It's pretty much like the SU-100. So there's a little, I really wouldn't even call it circuit board, some wiring. If you want to see what it looks like, take a look at my SU-100 video. Pretty much the same thing. I'm guessing the actual bottom of the hull is probably exact same as the SU-100 as well. Certainly looks like it. Good on, pretty clean. Not really any flash to speak of. Not much detail. Not a whole lot's gonna be seen here anyway. Again, you have the two motors. This is pretty heavy, pretty beefy. Again, this will be a remote control, not wireless. So there will be some wires coming out here, I believe, connect into the motors. So you do have to chase it around a bit if you wanted to do that. And then looks fairly similar to the SU-100, so I'm not actually, I'm gonna open this because the SU-100 barrel was pretty well warped. Let's see what the status of this one is. So this one's got a good wave in it as well. So that's probably going to take a little bit of effort to straighten out and fill the seams there, but that's what modeling's all about. Give you a better look at that one. The other, this sprue looks to be the same sprue that was on the SU-100. And then the road wheels look to be the same as well, so I'm not even going to open them. If you want a better shot at the road wheels, take a look at the SU-100 video. So, no point in going into those. And then we'll take a quick look at the instructions, which are probably pretty pretty generic, I would say. Photocopy. I guess it could be off a laser printer, I don't know. Oh, this one's actually in booklet form, whereas the SU-100, and here are the decals, which are really hard to make out. I think this is the stripe for the turret, I believe. And then some numbers, which are really hard to make out. Don't even know if these would be usable based on how they look like they barely exist. Anyway, so this one's actually in a stapled booklet form. What's that, 11 by 17 sheets, I guess? Again in Korean, I believe. Instructions for putting together the motor, the chassis, the remote control unit, upper hull, tracks, upper hull, underside, turret. Oh, that's it. Why do I feel like I'm missing something? Where is, oh, well, I guess that's all you get on the lower hull. Should be pretty straightforward, I guess. Geez, I think 2 to 3 hours for assembly on this, probably. Probably going to spend more time on straightening out the barrel and then filling the seams for the turret and then filling seams for your fuel tanks. Other than that, it's pretty clean looking. Not a lot of flash. Maybe some cleanup on the treads. And then I guess this is information on the tanks themselves. Can't interpret that for you, so don't know. Some information on the markings. I don't, it's hard to see what the, like, it looks like these two could be that marking. Well, we got these two, I think, is that marking. I don't, oh. Ah, those aren't stripes. This marking looks to be here. I think you'd have to have it on a non-white background to actually be able to see it. Yeah, it actually does correspond to that. You have 230, and then there's a 204 as well. And then you have a diagram of the sprues. And that's about it. Again, like the other ones, I've heard these are knockoffs of the Tamiya kits from the 70s, I think. And they're 20 years old for me. I think I paid 40, 50 bucks for them. I think they're out of production. I haven't seen them out on the web. This video was done November 2021, so one of those legacy classic kits. Thanks for watching.